Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, my team and I will present about the innovation on portable traffic light for road construction. This project have been developed to replace the flat guard for reducing accidents resulting on flat guard on construction road.
Maut dirempuh bas ketika sedang mengawal lalu lintas. Mangsa pekerja sebuah syarikat menyelenggara jalan raya Muhammad Zakarman Bedol, 41 tahun yang mengalami kecederaan teruk di bahagian kepala dan muka meninggal dunia di tempat kejadian.
For this portable traffic light, there are several components. The first component is an infrared sensor. On the side of the traffic light, there is the first IR sensor and here the second IR sensor. In the pole section, there are red, yellow and green LED. Also, there has 7 segment display as timer. For this portable traffic light, there are 3 conditions. The first condition is default condition, where the second traffic light is red and the first traffic light will always be green when there are no vehicle in both directions. The second condition is normal condition, where only the first IR detect the presence of a vehicle, then the second traffic light will be green for 18 seconds and the first traffic light will be red. The third condition is a crowded condition, where the second IR and the first IR detect the presence of a vehicle. This will cause the second traffic light to be green for 30 seconds and the first traffic light will be red.
Today, I would like to show the first condition, which is the default condition. Default condition that consists of construction road and main road, where the main road are always available for vehicle to pass through. At traffic light 1, green LEDs will always on, so the vehicle can pass through the traffic light safely without any worries. So, this is the first condition, which is the default condition. For second condition, which is the normal condition are when the vehicle are not so many, so we will call as normal condition. The first IR sensor are detecting the vehicle that stop in front of the sensor, so the normal condition program will be running. The timer of the traffic light 2 for the construction road will running for 18 seconds. The countdown timer for green LED will start to display at the last 5 seconds at the timer. While traffic light 1 countdown timer for red LEDs will start to display at the last 9 seconds of the timer. The LED display will start to change from green to yellow LED with 3 blinks and then change to red light. After that, the main road with the vehicle will start to move for 18 seconds also due to only first sensor are being triggered. The third condition, which is the crowded condition, which the first IR sensor and second IR sensor are detecting the vehicle, which the vehicle stop in front of the sensor and make the infrared sensor trigger it. This will make the crowded condition running for 30-second timer, which show the traffic are crowded. After that, traffic light 1 will also running for 30 seconds. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.